Alright, so we're getting all set up to do some Hardie here. I got some blocks and I'm gonna make myself a table to set all the Hardie on so I can make any cuts. Got my PVC blades there, PVC there, fine tooth, and then in here I have my Hardie blade, and this has the teeth all spaced out more, and this one has a Hardie blade. I got my Gecko siding gauges, got some rollers right there, and this thing here is actually huge for Hardie. This is a nice carbide tipped jigsaw blade. I use that a lot. And I have this here. This is a fiber cement shear. Just put it right on top of this drill impact. It's a little nicer to use a drill because it doesn't hammer, but an impact works okay. This kind of chews up the pieces a little bit, so I don't like to use this on any like exposed ends, but where you don't have it exposed, that's a really good option. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, then I have a fiber cement blade on this as well. This is well used. Might have to get another one. You can cut fiber cement with a regular blade, but I found that it just ends up getting destroyed after a couple rips only. So I'm going to go ahead and keep building my little platform. It's really nice to have a workstation. Usually I throw these away, but I think I'm going to save them. Save this for future use. And all I'm doing is putting these all like this, spaced out pretty evenly all the way down. And what that'll allow me to do is I can actually put things underneath for kind of storage, and then I can lay my Hardie down on top of these, and I can still use the jigsaw and then won't be bumping into anything. The blade won't hit what's underneath here. So I can use the jigsaw, I can use my circular saw and make any cuts right on this platform, and then go ahead and do my painting, and I can store my paint materials here or on the back of the sawhorse. So that's what it's going to look like. I just gotta screw it together. Like I said, I'm gonna make it a little bit more sturdy this time, and hopefully I'll get some more Hardie jobs, and I'll just bring it from job to job. Some nice 4-inch screws. Trying to leave about 3 inches hanging out on all of them. Looking good. Now I'm not sure if other Hardie contractors do this. This is something that I came up with on my own, but maybe other people do it as well. Maybe they think it's dumb, I don't know. Or maybe people who do it all the time are wondering why they never thought of this. I don't know, if somebody does Hardie all the time, you can chime in and let me know if this is something you guys do. It's worked really well for me on, I think, the last 3 Hardie jobs that I did. And you know, if you're doing a rip with a saw, like a skill saw, if you're ripping on top of something, you cut that or you score it all down the way. So I don't know, I think it works better to have your material up on something. Yeah, to me this has been well worth it. A little bit of time to get set up and pays off. There it is. So yeah, now we got a nice cut station and painting station right here, and I can fit 2 boards this way. I can store one there and let it dry and paint another one on the front side. I like it.